Hello, we are back with one new shuttle, and this time it is Bitcoin Cash what we will wanna look for. And now the current stock move, what we see, and how the next step will be sideways, and where it will stop the standard moves for this static market. Yeah, we're talking here about a static algorithm, which is nearly even better to play than Bitcoin itself or SPX 500. However, today we will look at Bitcoin Cash at Bitmex and also at Oanda. So Forex markets and also crypto markets both at Oanda as broker. It's one of the biggest broker in Europe since 25 years. So it is a stable broker, I would say. So, but for first, before we set up the system, we gonna look again about the full setup. So where we are current 1 out of 10 is 16. It is the price. I will stop for 1 second my app, and then we can go over to this one. So here we are. I don't want, but I want that to be a problem. Okay, so we see the Cash here is current climbing, same position, open small one for crypto. This is the new app that I'm currently testing out. It's a new model to the Cash Club app what we have. Yes, our wonderful place. Oh, yeah, there it is. Let's see about the current setup. We have current introduction, I think around 700. Yes, 700 devices currently ready, in 175 different countries the app is playing, and you just need to log out for this and download the current version. There, like you see, you also get a nice area line for checking your setup and so on and so on. Okay, but we are going back. What we see here is at first the end of the sideways, and also with the end of the sideways stop, and then it goes. Here is our sideways, the down sequence, and current the move up. For Bitcoin Cash. So the main problem what you have is really simple. It is the graphic, the chart himself. Yeah, if you compare now this chart, even if I switch it to 1 hour, it would you say nothing. Look at this moves. We put that reload. Then with our draw, we can better compare. Look at these candles, how they look like, and now compare the same with this one. Each area is other way, it is more where you can see what's going on current, and that is where I'm working at. That is part of the basic system for me. Some background AIs, deep learning machines running, and they are checking financial markets and the different kind of stuff what I teach them. Yeah, and now let's go, I would say. So the first thing what we have to know is if it is our up sequence, so how was the last up sequence? So for that we have to go into the past and look out where is the up sequence. That was down, that was sideways, up, also sideways. I hope I have no problem with the data because it's a long time ago that we have the up sequence. It looks like here. Let's see. Again, downgoing market. Not a nice thing himself. Okay, then we will need to read out one part of it, and that is this main one. That is the part where I'm looking for current. This is a part of the up sequence. So you see, it is like magic. So it left the first tunnel. It's the one before. It's go out of the first tunnel and then sample reach the second one. This tunnel. Right about that. Simple pitchwork, nothing as magic what we are seeing here. So this is really easy. At this point the question is how far it will go, and that is simple move what we need to see here. Wait 1 second please. Where's the deepest point? Last known deepest point is around here. And if it's horizontal, and you got what you need, the middle line. Now we switch on just the main lines what we need. That is the small one, and that is the big one. So, and that is the room what we are looking for. Here we got it, the red room. The red room is the part where we have to look for where it should be stopped. You see it is the middle current at 124. We have the first part of it. You see how he is wonderful working. Now we are looking in the algorithm himself. If you will see my video with, I think it was Netgas, yeah, then you will see that is the static algorithm in some markets which are completely static. There are two different kinds. You have one kind, the non-static algorithm like SPX or Bitcoin or ADA and EOS and so on and so on. And you have static one, yeah, and the static one is here Bitcoin Cash, and also like I showed you Netgas. Yeah, so it can be really easy played because it will play his algorithm again. So for that, what you need to look, you look at the horizontal line and you look how often he touch a sequence. So here you have 3 times, here you have 2 times, that is the sideways. Here's a small COC, that's why this one isn't right. A COC will be not calculated in the definition of a market because it says absolutely nothing. The COC is the clean-out candle. What we are seeing here in this move, when we zoom in, where it is different times, repeats again and again. So you have a static move. Let's go inside. Let's look for it. One is here near 7, so the next one should be near around 3, I expect. Even a little 3, 5. Where is the third one? Yeah, 3, I would say is the third one. So the main stop loss and take profit dimension is 1 to 2. So we have here 1, 4, I would say around. Here we have a 5, 5, 7 move. That means at all 2, 5, 2, 9. Sorry, 2, 9 around the stop loss, and in this sequence we have 7, 4, 6. So it is 3, 9, and then we have again. So now you can take this one and you will see from the bottom line how they repeat. Yeah, I just take it here to this bottom line, and you see how it will be repeated again and again. So what does that say? It says that you have found a market where the sequence will be always coming back. And that is the best move what it can be as by mathematics calculated, and you can play it again. So the thing is now really easy. We have to know where is the next support. Next support line you have here in the red one. So the first stop is here around 114, 115. If that is the old support line. If you want to know how strong it goes up, then it is also simple. And we have our 114 again. So isn't it perfect? So we knew 2 touches at all, and that will be always repeat in the up sequence, in the down sequence. So 1, 2, 1, 2, and so on. Every time you look, you have 2 bounds. That's a COC. trend change. After that, sideways. And here we have our up sequence going around to 114 and 115. Here, let's see, as example, for this app, it is peanuts. I want to play out from, let's say, 150 US dollar up into 300 in less than 1 week. That is my goal. So let's see, 109, 6 and leverage 50. You see it by liquidation price and as target lead 114. So you see here 203% to make in one move. So I would say, baby, let's go. Climb to our high. And then that's it. Let's wait. Yeah, this one. Wait 1 second, please. No, stop. Perfect. Okay, so with that we have just to wait, and now we set the sell order 20 pieces at my place with a limit price of 140. In this example, the order is created, baby is waiting, that's all. Here it is also leverage 50. I would say for 3 months it is absolutely okay as target what we have here, or as all what we have reached. And like I say, here we will wait for our small one which will came up, and we will play it out for the next week for a higher dimensions. I wanna play, let's say, 80% a week from each margin input, and it is done. And we will do it. Yeah, most market that I will be playing is Bitcoin Cash. You see it why. This two touches as algorithm is perfect to play CFC. Shit happens who go in a position, in a buy position, and then you jump up and down and you are dead. Yeah, so always start with a short position. Here you can start just in the same high as start, so it is one in the same entry again, and again till the cycle ends and it's going up. So with that, boys, I would say that was a really fast move for algorithm that is easy to teach and easy to show you. And with that, I wish you a good night, a good evening, and stay health, or stay with your health. Good to see you. Bye bye.